folks, welcome back. As you can see, got the bonnet out of the car. Going to strip the paint off it and practice the welding on it. So started with the DA here because I didn't have my flappy discs, but as I started the doorbell went, Mr. Postman. So we stick one of these 60 grit flappy wheels in. Just stick the dust extraction on the paint booth on just to take away the muck. Put the paint booth lights on, give me a wee bit extra light. So just going to take a bit of paint off, it's maybe one side, and have a wee play with the welder again. And you can give me some feedback and see where I'm going wrong. Blow off. Final wee run over with the DA, gets rid of any dust as well. Here we go. Firework time. Give me a shout out to Robbie McNubb. We comment this morning, checked the helmet and it was indeed on grind. So that's why it wasn't darkening. That's why my eyes were so yesterday. So got it sussed now. So we've got it cranked right up, and hopefully it'll be a wee bit better today. Just go for a wee series of spots. Looking thing, but it's sticking to it. So when I'll be playing, see how we go. Turn the wire speed up a wee bit and see how we go at that. See if it's better or worse or a wee bit too much. Just blew a hole through the bonnet, but again, it's only going to get used for practice. Obviously if I need any wee inches of metal. For any wee holes that I need to patch elsewhere in the car at any point, I'll be cutting them out the bonnet. Well, it's marking the other side, so this out again. Turn the wire speed, turn the power setting, sorry, down to 1, but nah, it's not cutting it, so I'm back up to 2. Oh, I'm checking it out. It looks as if it's sticking, but I don't know. Let's have a wee grind off. Move the helmet out the road. Slot in the bonnet. Let's have a wee look and see what damage we can do here. Clean off. Again, it seems to be, I don't know, just sitting on top as opposed to penetrating. I don't know if it's a power thing, wire speed. There seems to be plenty of material, but it just doesn't seem to be, how can I say, bonding with it, but it's sticking to it. Obviously I spent a wee bit more time than is actually shown on the tape here. Obviously I've edited the footage. Off, pull it down. go again. Another wee wire speed adjustment. Yep. Give it a little clean up. Get the eyes on. Have a wee quick look at it. Back end. Bit patchy. 3 or 4 bits that have penetrated through, the rest not. I'll address that in the next.
Yeah.
Seems to be a lot of material sitting on top, but not a lot penetrating into the base metal. So I don't know, maybe try upping the voltage setting tomorrow. I'll have another wee play with it and see how we go. Anyway, that's about it. I'll let you have a wee look. I'll bring the camera over, see what's what. As you can see, not very pretty, but anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a wee like and a subscribe. There's the back end. As you can see, a couple of bits that have penetrated through, a couple of bits that haven't. Take care out there, people. Thanks again. Ta-ra.